Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alerted, never get in and out of plays. Also get your free stock from down below as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. We know VIP been going crazy. 10 plays last week. Out of the 10 plays, we only lost on 2. 3 plays to start the week off, which the week started on yesterday. 3 plays to start the week off, or better yet, 4 plays to start the week off, including the day plays, which was called out again, Carvana. Out of 4 plays, all of them was successful. AMC successful, Carvana to start the week off was successful. Carvana today is, we can't really, it's successful. It's about to go through 8 with ease. It's already at 808. It should be hitting 9. So that's a successful play. And Tilray we got in the day. We can't really say if it's successful or unsuccessful yet because we in the mix of it right now, right? So basically, all plays been called out this week. It's already been successful. We're gonna try to go for a track record of every single play being successful because might take tomorrow off, and that's just to show you guys how to really get good at this stuff when you start taking off days. But prior to the off day, you want to have awesome days to where you have the leverage, the capital to, yeah, okay, I'll be fine with taking the day off. I just made a couple racks, right? So anyways, going into AMC though, guys, let me share my opinion with AMC, let you guys know what's going on with that. I know a lot of people wondering, someone commented and said $20. Do you think AMC will reach $20? AMC does have the potential to easily get to $20, but like I say, guys, that's why I just get in and I get out. As soon as I get a profit at AMC, I'm gone, because of the fact that if AMC wasn't controlled and the most manipulated stock and their attention was elsewhere, AMC would easily be at a few $100s a share. GameStop's supposed to be at a few $1,000s a share, easily, guys. But with everything that's going on, I can't chance it. I can't risk a large portion of my funds, and I know the stock is very heavily manipulated, right? So that's why I just aim small, miss small with AMC. I let house money ride with AMC. All these things that I've been saying since the beginning, because I already know what type of time they was going to be on. So AMC getting 20 is very much possible, guys. It's very much possible. It's not a hard ask. It's not a hard task to do. We know AMC can have 100% days with ease. We know AMC like to run after hours. We know we like to open up big in the pre-market when many investors aren't on point. So we know this stuff, guys. And if we go and take a look at, let's take a look at this. So stocks open higher at the producer price hint at peaking inflation. So inflation definitely has peaked, guys, in my opinion. I don't believe prices, the housing market, car market, gas, I don't believe it's going to go up to the prices that it was once before. I do believe it's kind of undervalued now, though, as far as the housing market, car market, all them things. I ain't going to say undervalued, but I do believe it's like cheap at right now. Like it's going to go a little bit higher, but it's not going to reach the peak again. So that's definitely going to be a great sign for the market, guys. Like we know, whenever inflation is cooling off, whenever interest rates is coming down, that's a major, major bullish sign for the market. Whenever prices is going up, inflation is heating up, interest rates going up, that's a very bad sign for the market because, excuse me, it's common sense, guys. The cheaper the prices are, the cheaper the interest rates, the more the economy is buying. They consuming. They buying houses. They buying cars. They buying gas. They going places because it's cheaper to do so. As soon as prices go up, that money supply dries up. Ain't nobody willing to buy. Even people that's on the market to flip houses or to buy and sell that's making money with it, they not even willing to buy because it's so high. You get what I'm saying? Same thing with the market. We day traders. We in here to buy and sell, but we not looking to buy if everything's high. We waiting for it to come back. That don't make sense. Same thing. Same thing. Stock rose Wednesday after the latest data provided another sign that inflation, while still high, is beginning to ease. So the moves came in after the latest reading on the producer price index, which measures input costs from companies and could be leading indicator of future inflation, showed at 0.5% decline from December. So you already know, guys, that's some good news for the market going into today. Let's take a look at AMC's chart, guys, and see what's going on with Carvana and all this other good stuff. Okay, must came down a bit because my portfolio is down a bit, but it's all gravy. We're not going to trip. Yep, Carvana came down, was at 8. It's down to 786 now. Is it looking for a pullback to blow bigger, I believe, because that bad boy's ready to go. I don't know why it's playing games. It can't. possibly, it can, but it'd be wild if it go all the way back to the starting point of the day. I do not want to see that happen. But anyways, Tilray's in the red. Not really worried about that as well. That's another stock that I aim small, miss small in. Usually I load up a couple $1,000. I only got a few $100 in Tilray, an option, because it's like AMC kind of. It plays too many games. I know the stock that plays games. I know the stocks that don't play games, and that'll go ahead and make its move. And those are the ones that I put more capital in, right? So AMC sitting at $6.38, guys. It was just at $6.50 on the move. I know it will pull back, scare some people out. So many people start to load up, near those pivot points. AMC has the potential to run straight up to around the early mid $7 range, guys. So you definitely want to be prepared for that. AMC could possibly spike. It already holding well above that resistance from yesterday at 607, 608. It could easily go up to around $7.23, $7.30, guys. So that could happen fast, out of nowhere. I'm pretty sure when I put my phone down, go do a couple things, I look back, it could possibly be up like that. But you already know, guys, prepare yourselves, get in VIP, do whatever you got to do, man. We making, crazy money. I love y'all. We out. God bless y'all. And we go.